Hello mga kasangga! Welcome to my channel, Pearl TV and Travels Vlog. Wow, ang ganda niya! Mga kasangga, here's our beautiful Queen Bea Alonzo, at SM Mall of Asia, for the launch of the newest collection of Sekosana bags, the Heritage Collection. She is giving some stylish advice about bags. Here it goes guys, let's watch this.
Our only Miss Bea Alonzo! Hi Bea! Everything. Just give her a round of applause. Can you say hi Bea? Hi! Wow! Grabe naman, Bea is already here celebrating. All of you want Bea. Nice to meet you. I'm Steph. Para kaninong anong lakad natin i-recommend yung MOA para sa mga party before or pang-work din?
Ito MOA, siguro, ito yung kapag may office ka pero hindi ka masyadong hectic. So in the afternoon, okay, even when you're chatting.
What do you think about this particular model?
Well, I love it. I like small bags, to be honest. I like small bags just because it's very versatile. And I like bringing things that are very small. Yung daily things na even my people goes in one way. I love it. And also, if you are more into like sophisticated chic type of bag, this would be it. This looks more polished. Yung buckle in front.
Pero hindi ka mahihirapan.
If you guys like gold jewelry, this would be it.
So hindi kayo mahihirapan. I-unbuckle siya. It's actually just a snap to open bag.
And it looks more structured. So siguro din sa mga mas office girls, this would be like perfect.
Elevated ang arrive mo. But also guys, I want to highlight din yung Alba natin and the Mercer, parehas sila meron na thick na pad. So ito
Hindi masakit.
Hindi masakit.
Kahit na madaming laman.
Yes. So, you have the option of that, makapal strap, or of course yung thin strap natin like the bowler bags. And that was
yung favorite mo?
Alam mo, yung favorite ko, Miss Bea, kasi inunahan mo na ako. Maruna ko yung makita yung photo mo. So automatically, yung Mercer, specifically in the smallest size of the brand. If ikaw, Miss Bea, what is your favorite? Among
I think it would be, for now, for this outfit, the Alba.
the Alba, the one that we last picked out. In the color? In this color. In this chocolate color. So everybody, can you give a round of applause for Bea for giving us a bag tour of all our newest heritage collection.
Yes.
Reminding you all that these finally they used suede in their designed bags of 8 styles with 4 colors. But Miss Bea and I are happy because this holiday season we're making it a little merry. Mag-iimbita tayo, Bea, ng friends. And we're opening a segment in our cute little program called The Perfect Gift.
Wow! Alam mo, gusto ko to kasi ako mahilig ako magregalo. Like, one of my love languages. Gift giving, lalo na kapag thoughtful, like it has to be meaningful. Yung parang talagang kilala mo yung tao, you know, what would make that person happy.
Pinag-iisipan mo pala talaga. I love that.
So I love this game.
And you know what guys, nakakatuwa because Bea, you joining us here means a lot.
Yes, well, I'm so happy that Sekosana invited me here today because I really love doing this. I mean, these things with Sekosana and styling events like this. So, maraming salamat. And again, now is the right time to do your Christmas shopping with like the best deals with Sekosana and SM also. So, yeah.
So everybody, I hope beyond the styling tips that Bea shared with you, sana napulot niyo rin yung what we actually saw that Bea did here in front. Now, if you're gonna give someone this Christmas, hopefully you think about it, that it's something meaningful, and that it is because you love them. Say yourself.
Diba? I-gift yung sarili niya because I I'm sure it's well deserved, given the year that we've all had.
Totoo. That has been a long year and it is worth celebrating it, right?
Exactly.
That said, thank you so much, Bea. Thank you so much, friends from MOA, for all joining us in this styling session. Oh, one more. Everybody say Happy Holidays in 3, 2, 1! Happy Holidays!